Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by unpacking the Temple Touch and inserting fresh batteries as required. Power on the Temple Touch by pressing the single power button and wait for the green ready indicator light. Select your preferred unit, degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, using the unit button if needed. Hold the device steady and avoid moving while preparing the measurement. Ensure the forehead is dry and free of sweat or lotion before taking a reading. Perform a quick test on yourself, first to confirm the device functions correctly. Stand or sit quietly with the person facing forward and hair away from the temple. Place the probe gently on the center of the temple with light contact and keep it steady. If your model requires a sweep, move the probe across about 3 centimeters toward the hairline in one smooth motion. Maintain contact for 2 seconds or until the device beeps to confirm the reading. Keep the head still and avoid drafts, fans, or cold compresses that can alter the surface temperature. Record the reading and repeat after 5 minutes if you doubt the result. After each use, wipe the probe gently with an alcohol pad and let it air dry completely. Replace the batteries when the low battery icon appears to prevent slow response or inaccurate readings. Store the device in its case away from extreme heat, cold, and moisture to preserve accuracy. Avoid heavy cosmetics, sunscreen, or sweat on the temple and wait 10 minutes after exercise before measuring. If readings seem inconsistent, perform 3 consecutive checks and use the median value for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.